Today we're going to review dimensional analysis, or basically how to convert units from one form to the other. Here we're going to have to take 2,640 yards and change it to miles. So if you remember right from the video last night, we have to put what we know, what we have, which is 20,640 yards over here, and this is yards. And here's what we want to know, which is in miles. Okay, so what we have to find out is we have to use our formula chart to find the conversion for this. So now we see that there is 1 mile for every 1,760 yards. Remember, this one was miles, and this one is yards. So now what we do is we multiply 2,640 times 1, which is 2,640, then divided by 1,760. When we take 2,640 divided by 1,760, we get 1.5 miles. For our second example, we had to change 41 cups into pints. So again, we put down here what we start out with, and our units are cups. Now we have to take the cups, of course, and put them down here because that's where it needed to go. And then we want to put them into pints. So pints now goes here. But also here. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to look for our formula chart to see how many pints are in a cup or how many cups are in a pint. Okay, so in our formula chart we noticed that 1 pint was 2 cups. So here we have 1 pint for every 2 cups. So if we multiply 41 cups times 1 pint divided by 2 cups, we get 20.5 cups. And for our last example, we are supposed to change 3,500 pounds into tons to figure out how many tons there are in 3,500 pounds. So again, we start out with the 3,500, and this is pounds, so we're going to put pounds in here. And then since it was pounds, it goes in the bottom here. Remember, we're putting the pounds on the top and the bottom because when you take pounds divided by pounds, those eliminate each other, and therefore the pounds are gone, and what's left is the tons. And that's exactly what we want, both here and here. Okay, so now we go to our formula chart to see how many pounds are in a ton or how many tons are in a pound. So we see from our formula chart that there is 1 pound, 1 ton for every 2,000 pounds. That's a lot of weight. So let's take 3,500 times 1 divided by 2,000, and we get 1 3/4, or 1 7/75 tons. That is a lot of weight.